Hello friends, I'm going to show you this active construction site on this over 100-year-old house flip. Even though we just started a month and a half ago, we've got a lot done, especially on the garage and new ADU. I can't wait to show you. I'm Melissa Covington, a real estate investor and coach. I've been flipping houses for 8 years and I know how to pull off a budget renovation that can achieve the most return on investment. If you're interested in this type of content, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. On the exterior, we haven't done much yet because we usually wait until the very end so that our listing can be fresh. On the interior, you notice that there's a lot of debris on the ground because we retexture all the walls. The reason we chose to do that was because the house is on the older side, so there were a lot of cracks in the walls, and also the wall was done kind of a different way. It was not the modern type of sheetrock, so we replaced a lot of that material and also redid the texture so that it can look smoother and give people a high-end feel. On the living room, we plan to keep all of this, the fireplace and the vaulted ceilings, but we are still going to sheetrock between the ceiling beams so that we can put recessed lights. Of course, we still need to put in new floors. And on the dining room, there's not much yet, but the kitchen is mostly gutted. So the peninsula here is gone, and then the cabinets, countertops are all gone. So I talked about trying to remove this closet that was used for cleaning supplies. So after we open it up, we realized that there's actually a big pipe going from floor to ceiling, and we're going to have to recess this into the walls so that we can use this area continuously for new cabinets, and we're working on that. You also notice that there's like a bulge for electric wires, so we plan to make this area all flush so that we can start cabinets from right here. We are keeping these newer looking appliances because they are still in pretty good shape. Over here on this pantry, the door was originally on that side and we relocated it to here so that we can actually use this area. We're going to put the fridge and also a new pantry over here. And this little room is still gonna be used as the pantry, but we were thinking about demoing it, but because there's a sub panel there, so we can't really remove it easily, so we decided to just keep it here. At the end of the kitchen, we plan to keep these laundry cabinets because they are custom and they fit pretty well. And this door to the basement where the celebrity used to stay at, we just pulled out the carpet and did a cleaning for now, and we still have a lot of work to do inside. Before we go into this first bedroom, there was a doorway into the kitchen right here that we closed off to give kitchen more continuous space and also more privacy to this bedroom. And inside the bedroom, this wall was covered with wood paneling before, and we replaced it with sheetrock because the panels look kind of cheap. And then on this side, there was the door to the attached bathroom because this was the primary bedroom before, but we decided to actually give the bathroom to the other bedroom in the end because that's a better location for a primary bedroom, and I'm going to show you that one right after this. At the end of the hall is this other bedroom that I was referring to. So we bumped out this entrance a little bit so that we could include the linen closet that was there into the original closet in this bedroom. So now we have this new closet double the size of the existing closet. So this is a better fit for a new primary bedroom. And inside the bedroom, we also opened open up this door to the bathroom that was attached to the other bedroom before. So now this bedroom has the ensuite, and we are already done with the new shower and the tiles in here. Towards the end, we're going to have some shelves right next to the new vanity, and the toilet will be here. So this is a big move that we did on this house because we wanted this slider going to the backyard in the new primary bedroom so that it feels like a much nicer primary suite. The guest bathroom got all new electrical and plumbing, and it also feels a lot bigger because we raised the ceiling on top of the tub and we put in new tiles, and also towards the end was the little shower that was not very useful before. We converted it into a closet space so that there's more storage. This third bedroom also got all new sheetrock and wall texture. So now you can clearly see that a lot of the windows are misaligned, so they desperately need to be replaced. Right out the slider from the new primary bedroom, we removed the deck that was rotten before, and we plan to put a new concrete patio right here and also an outdoor kitchen on that side. And over this side, we are still going to remove this pool and all the pavers around it and make this more of a grassy area and some plants too. Let's check out the garage and the new ADU. So this was full of junk before and we couldn't step inside. Now we cleared everything out and put in all new sheetrock, and also we added this wall to separate the one-car garage from this space. So now this can be used for a lot of different purposes, and of course we still need to put in new flooring and lights as well. And over here on the garage, we also sheetrocked the walls, and we found out that there's actually a big storage area in the back where the water heater is, and this really can provide a lot of useful storage space for the new owner. What do you think about our progress so far? Drop me a comment below. We plan to finish the rest of the renovation in about a month and a half, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel so you get notified when the after video is out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.